Hello everyone, my name is Lily, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix Instagram user not found. There could be two possible scenarios where this error message shows. You temporarily disabled your account and then returned to find it showing user not found. Or maybe you're just on Instagram and attempting to find someone and it says user not found. So keep watching because I'll teach you how to solve these problems with this quick and easy tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started right away. So if you've temporarily disabled your account and you want to log back in and reactivate your account, but somehow it says user not found, instead of trying to log in with your username, try logging in with your mobile number or the email address linked to your account. If that still shows user is not found, whenever you try logging in and you try your email, mobile number, and other info, and it just doesn't work, one of the most probable reasons is that Instagram has terminated the username connected with your account, which is really disappointing, but there isn't much you can do anyway. And that is the first scenario. The second scenario is that when you go into your search tab over here and you search for someone and it says, sorry, that user is not found, this means that person either has disabled their account or has blocked you from accessing their profile. So, when you're typing in his or her username, make absolutely sure you get everything correct because then that will show their actual account. The next reason might be that you might have blocked the user, and if it is, you can go to your profile icon on the bottom right. Then the three lines on the top right, then into settings. And then you can see privacy here, and you can go there and scroll all the way to the bottom, where you can see blocked accounts and select that. And then you can see everybody that you've blocked, and potentially you're seeing a user not found because you blocked that person. Then you can check here to see if they're blocked, and if they are blocked, you can basically unblock them. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel.